Hey there, busy entrepreneur. Are you tired of spending hours on repetitive tasks, drowning in admin work, or feeling like there's just not enough time in the day? What if I told you AI could automate 80% of your workload so you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business and enjoying your life? I'm your AI automation bestie, and I help women entrepreneurs like you streamline their workflow with simple, powerful AI tools. Today, I'm breaking down the exact steps to automate your business. No tech skills required. Let's dive in. First, grab a pen and paper or your favorite note-taking app. Write down every task you do daily or weekly that feels repetitive. Think email responses, social media posting, invoicing, customer support. Sound familiar? These are prime candidates for automation. Ask yourself, if I could outsource one thing to AI today, what would make the biggest impact? Start there. Now let's match those tasks with AI tools. Here are my top picks for busy entrepreneurs. ChatGPT, for writing emails, content, and scripts. Bye-bye writer's block. Canva Magic Write, instant social media captions and graphics. Zapier automates workflows between apps, like sending emails when someone signs up. Jasper, AI-powered marketing copy in seconds. DALL-E creates custom images for blogs and ads. Choose one tool to start, don't overwhelm yourself. Time for action. Let's automate something simple but powerful. Email responses. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Write a friendly professional email response for a client asking about my services." Copy the response and save it as a template in Gmail's canned responses. Boom! Now you can reply in one click. See how easy that was? Imagine doing this for every repetitive task. Once you've mastered one automation, expand. Try these next social media scheduling. Use Buffer or Later to auto-post. Customer support. Set up an AI chatbot on your website. Invoicing. Try QuickBooks or FreshBooks for auto-billing. The more you automate, the more time you free up for creativity and strategy. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tips to grow your business effortlessly.